All right, guys, what you're looking at, it's a broken resonator. And so I just bought this car and it is making a lot of noise. Sounds like a motorcycle or something. And so initially the seller told me it could have been the catalytic converter, but now I'm checking, and that's the resonator that is bad. So I'm gonna have you listen to what a broken resonator sounds like. And for those of you who may not know, I didn't know it either until I did some research. This is the, I think it's catalytic converter right here, and then so the resonator is before it. See that? Yeah, that's the piece. And I didn't even know this thing has a name. I thought that the whole thing was a muffler, but this is the catalytic converter and the broken resonator. Now let's hear what it sounds like. All right, that's what it sounds like. All right, so you heard what it sounds like, and I will have to go online and rockauto.com to find one. And I don't know all the symptoms, but I can assure you the exhaust, the burning fuel, it doesn't go all to the muffler. Also, down here is really hot. That's where the brake is, and it is very slow. It affects the speed of the vehicle. Yeah, when I was driving it, it was very slow, and also burn a lot of gas. Yes, in addition to the to that sound, and also I don't. It will not pass inspections with that sound. But so far there is no check engine light, so I don't know if the seller other people previously erased the codes, but it's not a big deal because I already knew he had this issue. All right. Next videos. One of the next videos, I will be replacing the this resonator. See you later. Woo-hoo.